Okay, thanks for watching. Remember I told you guys that you need different watches for different things. Today I want to talk about my SRP775 black and gold prospects and how I like to use this as my weekend watch. Some people like to do different type of tests. I want to do a shock test. This chart shows the approximate energy expended when you fire your handgun. That's going to put a shock on the watch. You want to make sure that your watch can hold up to that. Make sure that it's not something that you got to baby. So we're going to put 30 rounds through here and the H&K MP5. We're going to make sure that the watch can hold up. Check this video out. Thanks for watching.